over there, and they explained to me that she did end up, they let her see a medic. And I'm like, well, that just goes to show you that she wasn't hurt before you all arrested her.
Right.
So then you all have to let her see a medic. So then they told me they want to take her to Jackson Pike jail. And they put, the charges they gave her was resisting arrest. They had assault on a police officer on her, which everyone knows that she didn't assault any of them.
So do the neighbors still have it on film, what they did?
Yeah, that's what I was about to go over here and find out, because I need to get that to you. I was talking to a couple people, and they said, you cannot let this slide, because it's just going on. And they gotta be exposed.
And this was just a routine call. Your daughter does not have a major record, correct? Ma'am?
Hello?
Are you there?
Hello?
Okay. So your daughter isn't a violent criminal. Does she have any violence on her record?
No.
No. All right. So, but have you been able to speak to her? Have you been able to see or speak to her?
Yeah, she did call me last night.
From the Pike, from the workhouse?
Yes.
And what did she say?
We only talked a second, because she said she was calling from someone else's minutes. So she just wanted to see, was everybody okay, and let us know that she was okay.
Do you know when she'll be arraigned?
She will go, this morning, she's supposed to go to court and get, she was supposed to go this morning, actually, and get her bond. And they actually said that her bond was $80,000.
Oh.
$80,000.
$80,000 or $60,000, they told me. And so they were saying 10% of that would still be too high. So just, I'm actually working with a lady down there, because my daughter has a couple more charges on her from driving under suspension, a couple more things, but it's nothing violent, and
they're all misdemeanors. Now, they did tell me that you were the one that called the police because there was problems in your neighborhood, and that's why they came out there. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I'm sorry. My phone is going wacko.
It's okay.
Yeah, but they never...
Go ahead.
I was going to say, they never one time came over here to ask what the problem was. They basically just seen her standing across the street, and start, jumping on her at that point.
And they were jumping on her, and then when she got in the car, they started hitting her.
Yeah, and then when she got in the car, I actually witnessed, and a couple more people witnessed, him jump in the car and dove on top of her and started hitting her. And she was already in the car, and she was already handcuffed, and they're trying to tell me that she wasn't. But I seen them handcuff her.
Well, they better handcuff her if they put her in the car. They're supposed to handcuff her if they put her in the car.
Yeah.
Right. And they're trying to tell me that she wasn't handcuffed until she got to the Clinton Township station. And I said, that's not true. I was watching them handcuff her and kicking her at the same time.
All right.
Now, they can't tell me what I seen. I know what I seen.
Did she say she feels okay? I mean, for her to be arraigned,
What'd you say?
did she say she feels okay physically? Is she scared?
Well, like I said, we didn't get to talk long at all.
All right. Will you call me back?
She does call back.
Will you call me back and tell me what's going on?
Yes, I will. I will.
Those videotapes are important. And why her bail set that high on a misdemeanor, if they're tacking on charges for, resisting arrest and everything else, when you guys have the video, when your neighbors would have the video of what they were doing to her,
The cops are there too.
It sounds like they were forcing her to resist arrest by kicking her. All right.
Exactly.
All right. Well, there's some civil rights attorneys in town that I'm sure would be interested in this tape and this case. This could go from either, peaceful or very bad. And those police officers should not be doing that.
No, they shouldn't.
All right. Well, I'm glad that you called, and just you have my number now.
And the crazy thing is, when she had, I think it was when she had wrecked my truck and she got arrested, the same police officer, he abused her then too. So this is the second time that he's dead.
I think some of these police officers are burned out and they need to get out. They have
My phone is going crazy. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I was saying that this is the second time that police officer has done this to her.
All right.
On 2 separate occasions.
Okay. Well, you have my phone number. Let me know when the neighbors have that footage, or if they do have the footage, and that's going to be very important in this situation.
Okay, I'll definitely find it.
Okay.
And then I'll give you a call back.
And I'll come see you. Where do you live?
On Cleveland Avenue, 3799 Cleveland Avenue.
Okay. I just, for my organization's files, I make YouTube videos of the cases that we're working on. So we didn't share your daughter's name or anything. We've just shared the scenario. I hope that's okay with you.
That's fine.
Okay. So
yeah.
That's right. Your daughter is not confrontational, and this all started out, her warrant was for not paying a ticket or something.
Yes, she thought that she was supposed to go to court the following day, but it was the same that day. She thought she was supposed to go on the 21st, on the 22nd, but it was the 21st. So they put a warrant on her while she was, because in court that day, because she didn't show up to court.
All right.
So that's why they originally said that they arrested her.
All right. Okay, I'm sorry you had to see that done to your daughter.
You said you put something on YouTube, you said?
Yeah, I make videos to raise awareness to different situations that we work with in the name of justice organization.
Oh.
So, and
her name's not being used.
Your name's not being used, nor your daughter's, but I am going to share this, that this is a type of situation that happens. And, it's very odd to me that she had a warrant for misdemeanors and her bond is being set at $80,000. Well, I'll have to look up what's going on with her bond and her case when I get off the phone with you, okay? I'm not a lawyer. I'm just an advocate.
Yeah. Well, what they did, because she didn't show up to court, is that they put everything back on her from what she was supposed to get sentenced for that day. And they were going to just give her probation for that.
But it was all misdemeanors, correct?
Yeah, it was all driving with under suspension. Yeah, it's misdemeanors.
Okay, well, that's real scary for the police to deal with, I'm sure. All right, well, yeah, I mean, this is dumb. They kill family pets at times, and, mailmen and UPS men, I don't see killing family pets that are, scary. So, I'm going to keep in touch with you. I've been thinking about you all day. And
thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling last night. So let's just get those videos and see what how we can deal with that, see what they look like.
Okay, I sure will. I'm going to go do that right now. Thank you.
God bless you. Call me back if you want.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Pitiful. Out of order.
That letter you got?
Totally out of order. Hold on. I can't get this off.